Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear OneDrive cache to free up space. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to open File Explorer on your Windows PC and go to the location where your OneDrive is located. And then once you do so, you're going to find cache or temp folders inside it and you're going to delete their contents. Next, you're going to press Windows plus R key and you'll be able to see this prompt open in front of you. So you're going to simply type this down, that is percentage sign local app data percent, and then we have a slash Microsoft slash OneDrive. So once you're here, you're going to simply clear any remaining temporary files, and after that simply restart your OneDrive by searching OneDrive in start and then opening it again. So this will remove cached data and help free up space without deleting your actual files from the OneDrive cloud. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.